I didn't know it was possible to make without condensed milk, without sour cream, without gelatin and juice powder. In a container, start by adding 240 ml of milk. Add a cup of milk powder. Move everything very well. After mixing, add the juice of 1 lemon. To sweeten, I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you can use honey or another sweetener of your choice. Mix again. To give a special flavor, I used half cup of chocolate drops, but you can also use granulated chocolate or other chocolate of your choice, and even grated coconut. We are all done. Now just pass everything to a container and take to the fridge for at least 1 hour. And look how amazing this lemon mousse looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. And you can't believe we don't use the main ingredients to make a dessert, which are condensed milk, sour cream, powdered juice, and gelatin. Remembering that it was also without cornstarch. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.